following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Astronomers at NASA have reported a glimpse at a 3-mile white asteroid that is heading on a direct collision course to Earth. This asteroid is named Florence, after Florence Nightingale, the nurse that healed and made her patients fall in love with her during the Crimean War of 1854. It is believed that this asteroid is expected to impact the Earth within the next 15 hours, and it will land in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. NASA is attempting to launch a nuclear missile at Florence to knock the asteroid out of its orbit and prevent an end-of-the-world calamity from occurring. In the meantime, stay vigilant and do not panic, as panicking will worsen the situation. Keep your hopes up for NASA and pray that the attempt to knock the asteroid off course succeeds. If it fails, the world could be coming to an end as we know it. Tune into local TV and radio stations to learn more about this developing situation.
This is the emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation orders in the EAS operating handbook for a national or global level emergency. The President will speak on all stations shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming with a global emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message has been given authorization to be released at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. You are advised to listen to this alert as this pertains to an ongoing global crisis. This world is coming to an end. The asteroid, Florence, is on a direct collision course with Earth, and will make impact in the next hour. NASA has made an unfortunate statement, that the plan to knock Florence off course has failed, and that there is no time left to retry the plan. Florence is a 3-mile wide white asteroid, and will make impact in the Pacific Ocean. There is no way to stop Florence from impacting Earth, as it is too large and too close to Earth. It ranks a 10 on the Torino impact scale, meaning a collision will happen and will cause an extinction-level event. When Florence makes impact, an ear-splitting bang will be heard worldwide, followed by a blindingly bright flash, and extremely violent shaking. A massive fire will barrel through the surface, incinerating anything that it touches, and turning the world into a huge fireball. Shatter quakes with a magnitude of 10.0 or higher will occur, massive supervolcanoes will erupt, mega tsunamis towering up to 1,000 feet or higher will wipe off every coastline, and the sun will be blocked for 10 to 20 years. The Earth will be pushed out of its orbit and Kessler syndrome will take place after the impact. There is no way to survive this catastrophe. There is no reason to stay calm. You can go into panic mode if you want to. Please follow these instructions, because we cannot survive this cataclysm. Gather with your loved ones, including family and friends, and wait out the final hour of life on Earth. If you are part of a religion, pray to your higher being or beings and repent. Do whatever makes you comfortable and happy. Do not tell younger children about this event and ensure their well-being during these dark times. The President has selected a quote from the Bible to be read on the air, Joshua 1:9. This is my command, be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. This station will sign off for the final time with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency, however, this is the end. May God be with you all, and God bless the United States of America, and furthermore, the world. Thank you and goodbye.